bigger than a monster truck? Written by Sarah and Keith Korte Martin. Big movers. Have you ever seen a monster truck? Monster trucks are big. What's even bigger than a monster truck? The duck. The duck moves over both land and water. It moves on 6 wheels on land. It floats like a boat in water. Vehicle bridge. This vehicle is a bridge that can move. Other vehicle can move over the bridge. The bridge can fold up onto the vehicle. Cranes. Cranes lift and move things. Some cranes help people build tall buildings. Other cranes move things from ships to land. Dump trucks. The biggest dump trucks move rocks and dirt. They have some of the biggest tires in the world. Overland trains. These trains are used to move things to places with no roads. They move on big wheels instead of on train tracks. Moving space vehicles. These big vehicles move things that go into space. They are so wide that they need their own road. Giant power shovels. These vehicles dig rocks and dirt. They have a big bucket that digs up dirt and rocks. Tunnel diggers. These vehicles can dig under the ground. They can even dig through rock. Bagger 288. The biggest vehicle in the world is the Bagger 288. It digs mines. The Bagger 288 is almost as long as 2 football fields. Big vehicles. Big vehicles are used in many ways. Will they get even bigger someday?
Please remember to like and subscribe for more read-along videos.